Hi, thanks for choosing PUQ Press. In this video, we will help you install your new PUQ Press. The PUQ Press comes with an Allen key, wrench, power cord, manual, and a quick start guide. The tool you need during the following instruction is the wrench that comes with the PUQ Press. Start with removing the magnetic top cover. Loosen the 2 screws by using the wrench. Gently turn the PUQ Press upside down. Adjust the lower clamp to your portafilter by using the adjusting wheel. Tighten the 2 screws by using the wrench. Test fit with your portafilter. That's too wiggly. Let's try again. Loosen the 2 screws by using the wrench. Adjust the lower clamp to your portafilter by using the adjusting wheel. Tighten the 2 screws by using the wrench. And let's try again. Excellent. It fits nice and snugly. Put back the magnetic top cover. Install the power cord. Turn on the PUQ Press. And set the desired tamping pounds or kilograms. Let's tamp.